some magic right here in this program. Jeff Manthorpe is here. Jeff happens to be a professor of organic chemistry at Carleton University. But more importantly, friends, he is the man who annually puts on the Chemistry Magic Show. You've been doing this for 5 years now.
That's right.
A lot of fun?
Oh, oodles of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah,
oodles. And there's a couple of shows this weekend that people can come see.
That's right.
Yeah?
Yeah, 2 shows, 11 and 2:30 on Saturday.
Right.
And we've also got a hands-on activity room where families can come and literally get their hands dirty, making ice cream out of liquid nitrogen and
that's in the super lab?
That is.
So where do people go at Carleton, just so we know?
So the activity room is in the Stacy building.
Yep.
And the show itself is in Southam Hall.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's easy to find.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. All right, so you're going to give us a couple examples.
For sure.
Something about a flaming pickle.
Yeah, well, not quite flaming, but we'll make it light up.
Okay, you're going to light up a pickle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I can get it out of here.
Yeah.
Uncooperative pickle. It's not a morning pickle.
It's a good-looking pickle, though.
Yeah.
You know?
So, inside a pickle, we got lots of salt, right?
Right.
So there's lots of sodium in salt, right?
Right.
It's partly salt.
Right.
Now, if you take a metal
right.
and you excite it with a lot of energy,
right.
you can actually make it light up, like a sodium light on the street.
Well, do you want to dim the lights for this, Jeff?
Sure.
Let's dim the lights. Thank you, Maestro. Here we go.
Oh,
here we go. He's going to turn on. Watch what happens to the pickle.
there we go. You can hear it hissing and popping,
Yeah,
and it's going to start to smell in a minute.
What? You've lit up the pickle.
Yeah.
Wow. Holy light.
Want a bite?
No. No. It smells funky.
Oh, yeah, it sure
Yeah.
does. I'm glad you're downwind.
Yeah, thanks. So that's how you light up the pickle.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
So another one we're going to do in the show, and one people can do in the activity room, is we're going to have them make some of their own slime.
Oh, the slime is always good.
Oh, it's always a lot of
winner.
fun. Yeah, and you can even take it home.
Showstopper.
So, and oddly enough, Kurt, you may be actually wearing some of this stuff right now.
What do you mean?
Because in here is a solution of polyvinyl alcohol, which is actually used in cosmetics.
Well, I'm currently wearing cosmetics.
Yeah, so there you go. And in here, the other component is actually borax, like the laundry stuff.
No kidding.
Yeah, so we're going to mix these in the right proportions and watch what happens.
Borax is still around, by the way. You can still get
So
borax.
I'm going to add a little bit.
So it really thickens it up in a hurry?
You can see
It makes it slime.
starting to thicken up. Now we add some more.
Add a little bit more borax.
Stir it up.
Just like this. Wow.
You can see.
And it gets slimier and slimier. Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's always fun.
Yeah, so we can actually make some of this in the activity room,
Right.
and you can take it home. You can make
Right.
whatever color you want.
So you want to get, future Carleton chemistry students in there? Is that...
Well, we want to get people interested in science
Yeah.
in general,
Yeah.
especially chemistry, because it really does have an impact on our daily lives.
Yeah.
For example, we've had a simple example would be smartphones, right?
Yeah.
They're a big advance in the last few years.
Right.
And people don't realize that there's a fascinating and large amount of advances in chemistry that went into those in making new materials that actually make these things possible.
right?
Yeah.
Huh.
So we want people to start thinking about that,
Yeah.
and we want people to realize that chemistry impacts their lives every day, every moment of every day.
Think about that, even if you weren't good at it in high school.
Yeah.
So one last thing, what do you got there?
Yeah, here I got some flash paper. So
Okay.
this looks like streamers from a birthday party, right?
Yes.
And that's exactly what it was until I got my hands on it.
Okay.
And now,
Do we want the lights down for this?
yeah,
Jeff?
let's dim them down a little
Dim
bit.
the lights, would you please, Maestro? Thank you.
So I installed extra nitrogen and extra oxygen
Right.
into this paper. So
Okay.
now it's going to burn a little bit differently.
Okay. Check it out. Here goes Jeff, professor of chemistry. Whoa! At Carleton University, and has his Chemistry Magic Show coming up on Saturday. Jeff, thanks for coming by.
Thank you.
Have fun on Saturday.
Thank you.
You're all welcome to go down there and check that out. That'll be fun. You need the info, we have it for you. All right? Coming back at you. We'll be right back. 8:51. More fitness, more fun on the way. We'll be right back.